good. I don't know what it is. I haven't even seen it yet. Oh my goodness! All right, made it down to the water. And I just saw two things wake right in front of me. I don't know what they were, but it was decent sized. This is a good sign. Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. I'm out here today to do some river fishing in this small river. I caught my first tiger muskie, my only tiger muskie out of this river. So I'm out here looking for another one of those. That was about 3 or 4 weeks ago with my buddy Jens, who used to do the channel with me. I've also caught a lot of different other species in here, so we're gonna explore around and see if we can get into some good fish. Stick around. First lure I'm gonna start with today is a small swim bait. These Megabass Hazdong shads are great little swim baits. I use them all the time, highly recommend them. There's one. What do we have here? All right, a little smallie. First fish of the day. That's the way I like to start, with a bass. Just a little one, but fish on the board. Currently bushwhacking my way to this deeper section. It's completely obstructed by all this undergrowth and thorns and everything else. I'm trying to find any little bit of access that I can because it's too deep for me to wade, and I'm not trying to do some swimming. So as soon as I find a spot, and we hook into another. Oh, I might have found a spot right now. Okay, let's see. I just came from upstream around this bend here because I just couldn't bushwhack through all this. It's so thick. Finally found some access to the upper section of this hole. Just put on a white rooster tail with a silver blade in the 1/6 size. I'm gonna toss this around and see if we can find something wanting to bite. Oh, just like that. That's a good fish. I don't know what that is, but that's a good fish. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. That is a really good fish. Tighten my drag up. Oh, get out of that. Get out of that. What is that, a pickerel? Oh my goodness, that's a big pickerel, guys. Oh, he's under the log. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a big pickerel. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this pickerel. That might be my PB pickerel. Oh, if I can get him up on the bank. Yes, yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this slimy monster. All right, guys. That might be my PB pickerel. He's covered in leaves because he's been flopping around when I was trying to unhook him. Let's let him go. Oh man, I really love that surprise feeling you get when you hook a big fish. It just feels so good. Heart starts thumping. I love it. There's something. What do we have here? All right, first largie. Couple bass on the board now. A little bit bigger than that smallmouth. That's really healthy grass here. Try to make a couple casts up against this bank. It's not deep at all, but I just got smoked by something. Smallie. Man, he came out and destroyed it. Oh, that's mucky. All right. What is that? What is that? Oh, that's a nice smallie. Sweet. Oh, there's a better bass. There's the biggest bass of the day so far. Nice sized smallmouth. a good fish. What is this? Oh, we got another pickerel. Not nearly as big as that first one. Oh, and he's feisty. There's the second slime ball of the day. Much smaller than that first one. Oh, that is some mucky, mucky stuff. Just got to this new spot. It's pretty good. A couple casts. See what we got. Oh, look at this. Oh, another big pickerel. Are you kidding me? Came out of nowhere. There's another nice sized slimy pickerel. And he really choked up that rooster tail pretty good. He might have destroyed it for me, actually. Oh yeah, nice small. Woo, sweet. The rooster tail is catching everything today. I'm just switching off of that rooster tail, which I've caught primarily all the fish except for the first fish, I believe, was on a swim bait. It's been working pretty good, but I want to fish a couple of these holes on the bottom and try and target some more smallies, especially after that last smallie I caught. He was a nice one. There might be some more good ones in here. So get this tied on. I think I'm going to put either a grub or a worm on. We'll see. There's one. All right, another bass. A largie on the worm. Hold on, buddy. I got you. Another largie. It's like my 5th or 6th bass of the day. Starting to pick up some more bass now. Just pulled the worm off and switched this 3-inch Easy Shiner from Keitech in the perch color. And I'm gonna toss this over here. Go back to a moving bait. It seemed like I was getting more bites with a moving bait than drifting that worm, so give this a shot for a minute or two. He took my swim bait. Just had a fish steal my swim bait right off my hook. I have this hole right here. Put another one on and see if he's still hungry. See if I can get him with the hook this time. Put that hook way towards the back end. Got him. Got him. All right. Oh, he just, look at that. He just threw the swim bait that he stole from me. As soon as I pulled him out of the water, he threw it right at me, hit me in the head. Oh, all right, another bass. Sweet. A little smallie. Awesome. Here you go, buddy. What is that? Oh, look. The beaver. The little beaver. Oh, cool. Let's see if he comes out. There he is. Just cruising. broke off. That was a big fish. That was a big fish. Oh, that sucks. Well, you know he's not going to come back, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to try. That was a big fish. Oh man, that was a big fish. Hate losing big fish. Oh, I got something good. I got something good. I don't know what it is. I haven't seen it yet. Oh my goodness! That is the biggest pickerel I've ever seen. Oh my God. This might be the one that broke me off. He's freaking huge. He is freaking huge. Oh, look at the size of this pickerel. Oh my God. Look at his mouth. Look at that mouth. Wow. Gotcha, buddy. Yep, look at that. There's my other swim bait. That's the one that broke me off. He came back and I got him. Woo! Okay. Open up. Get my line out. Come on, I'm gonna have to retie anyway. Come on. Come on. All right, let's get the other hook out from before. 2 hooks out. 1, 2. And we're gonna get a look at this guy. Oh, look at that. That is a big pickerel. All right, look at that behemoth. Look at that behemoth. Come on, buddy. There you go. There he goes. Awesome. That was redemption right there. That was a nice pickerel, definitely my PB, 2.5 pounds. And it was nice that he broke me off and came back and let me catch him again. That was pretty sweet. What do we have here, Smallie? Oh yeah. All right. There's a decent sized Smallie. There's gonna be a fish over here. There's gotta be. Yep, there we go. That's a nice Smallie. All right. A little smallmouth. Work some of this log jam here. Oh, I just missed something. Took my tail. Ugh, so frustrating. Let's see if whatever just took my tail wants to come back for another bite. Yep. Oh, that's a nice Smallie. Get off of that. Oh yeah, nice. It might be the biggest smallmouth of the day. I think the other one I caught was about this size, about the same. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Caught a whole bunch of fish, broke a PB, lots of different species. It was a great day. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.